Plant FAQs. Colocasia black gecko. Colocasia black gecko. An interview with Ferb Vu on the dramatic foliage plant. Hi everyone, Ferb Vu here. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the Colocasia black gecko, a stunning elephant ear variety known for its dramatic, almost black foliage. This isn't your average houseplant. The black gecko boasts a unique beauty and specific care needs. So, whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about bringing this dark gem into your home. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Colocasia black gecko? The Colocasia black gecko is a hybrid of the Eraceae family, also known as the aroids. It's a close relative to popular houseplants like philodendrons and peace lilies. This particular variety is prized for its incredibly dark, almost black, glossy leaves with a hint of sheen. The undersides are a deep maroon, and the stems mature to a rich, dark color as well. It's a truly striking addition to any indoor space. Fun fact, the gecko, in its name, comes from the breeder, Brian Williams, who aimed to create a series of elephant ears with unique textural and visual characteristics reminiscent of gecko's skin. How does the black gecko compare to other elephant ears? Elephant ears are a diverse group within the Colocasia genus. Here's a quick breakdown of how the black gecko stacks up against some popular varieties. Black Magic. This variety shares the black gecko's deep, near-black foliage. However, Black Magic's leaves tend to be flatter and lack the black gecko's signature sheen. Thailand Black. Another contender for the darkest elephant ear title, Thailand Black has a more matte finish compared to the black gecko's glossy sheen. Illustrious. This elephant ear features dark green, almost black, leaves with prominent white veins. It offers a more contrasting look compared to the black gecko's solid black. Mojito. This variety boasts a vibrant green foliage with a distinct lime green variegation, making it a great choice for those looking for a brighter option. What are the specific care needs of a Colocasia black gecko? While the black gecko is a relatively low-maintenance plant, it thrives with specific care. Light. Provide bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. Allow for good drainage to prevent root rot. Soil. Use a well-draining, fertile potting mix. Consider adding perlite or orchid bark for extra aeration. Humidity. Black geckos appreciate high humidity levels. Grouping your plant with others or using a pebble tray filled with water can help. Temperature. Maintain a warm environment between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts. Fertilizer. Feed your black gecko with a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer. Winter care. In colder climates, the black gecko may go dormant. Reduce watering and keep the soil slightly moist. You can also bring it indoors for the winter. How big does the Colocasia black gecko get? The black gecko can reach a mature height of 4 to 7 feet, 1.2 to 2.1 meters, with a similar spread. Its growth rate is considered moderate. Is the Colocasia black gecko toxic? Yes, unfortunately. The black gecko, like all Colocasia varieties, is toxic to both humans and pets if ingested. The culprit is calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause irritation, mouth swelling, and even vomiting. Safety tip. Keep your black gecko out of reach of children and pets. Can I propagate my Colocasia black gecko? Absolutely. The black gecko can be propagated by division in spring or early summer. Carefully separate the offsets, baby plants, from the mother plant, ensuring each division has a healthy section of rhizome, underground stem, and foliage. Remember, when handling any plant parts, wear gloves to avoid skin irritation. Where can I buy a Colocasia black gecko? Black geckos are becoming increasingly popular, but they may not be readily available at your local garden center. Look for reputable online plant retailers or specialty nurseries that cater to aroid enthusiasts. Final thoughts on the Colocasia black gecko. The Colocasia black gecko is a captivating plant with its dramatic foliage that adds a touch of the exotic to any indoor space. With proper care, this stunning aroid can thrive for years to come. So, if you're looking for a statement piece that's relatively easy to maintain, the black gecko might be your perfect match.